All right, this video is so you can relearn Objective 2.2c, which is about vertical angles. And anytime you have two lines that intersect, here's my example, the angles that are opposite each other are vertical angles. So let's say this angle right here, we'll call it angle X and angle Y. Those are vertical angles. And what we know about those are those two angles are the same. If I label this A and this B, then A and B are also vertical angles and they're the same. So, an example would be, let's say I measured this angle here and I found it to be 25 degrees. Well, that means this angle is also 25 degrees because they're vertical angles. So, to identify vertical angles, we need two lines that are crossing. And if you look at this diagram right here, that line and that line cross, and the vertical angles are those two, angle A and angle B. Angle E right here, along with these two together, are vertical angles also. All right, so number 2, what is the measure of the missing vertical angle? Well, what we know is that vertical angles are the same. They're the same measure. It's like a mirror of each other. So this angle right here is also 56 degrees. All right, number 3. What is the measure of angle X? Well, if you look closely, this line and this line cross. So angles opposite each other at the intersection of two lines are vertical angles, so that means X is the same as 145, so 145 degrees. All right, and number 4 says in a triangle, the sum of the interior angles is 180. Using the diagram, find the value of X. Well, to find X, we have to know the other two, because we know that they're all going to add up to 180, so we need to know this one here, plus this one, so my question mark plus my X plus my 62 has to equal 180, and my question mark, I can replace that with 35 because those are vertical angles. So I know that's 35, so I know two of the angles of the triangle are 35 and 62. If I add 35 and 62, I get 97. And so the missing angle is just 180 minus that 97, which is 83. All right, that's the end of this. You can go ahead and do the other 8 problems, and then you're ready for the retake.